Hello friends, welcome back to my channel FinStop. Now I am going to tell you about top 5 mid-cap mutual funds for 2021. Friends, before going into this video, I would suggest you to watch my videos on top 5 large cap mutual funds for 2021 and basics of mutual funds. I have given the video links in the description box and in the I-bar. If you haven't watched them, please watch them. Let's get into the topic. First, you must know how much money you should invest in mid-cap mutual funds. Generally, you should invest 20 to 30% of your investment in mid-cap mutual funds because mid-cap mutual fund companies will invest their money in mid-cap companies or mid-cap stocks which are emerging companies and they are volatile, but they can fetch you good amount of returns. Let's see what are the top 5 mid-cap mutual funds for 2021. They are Invesco India Mid-Cap Fund, PGIM India Mid-Cap Opportunities Fund, Kotak Emerging Equity Fund, Axis Mid-Cap Fund, Edelweiss Mid-Cap Fund. All 5 are direct type and growth type only. Friends, now I am going to compare these top 5 mid-cap mutual funds with my selection criteria, and I am going to give them ranks in each selection criteria along with the points, and in the end I will tell you about the best mid-cap mutual fund for 2021. Before going further, I will request you to please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. First, selection based on CAGR 1 year. CAGR means compound annual growth rate. The more the growth rate, the best the mutual fund company is. Here you can see the first rank goes to PGIM India Midcap Opportunities Fund with 116.93%. Rank 2 goes to Kotak Emerging Equity Fund with 95%. Rank 3 goes to Edelweiss Midcap Fund with 94.87%. Rank 4 goes to Invesco India Midcap Fund with 74.86%, and rank 5 goes to Axis Midcap Fund with 65.63%. I have given rank 1 10 points, rank 2 9 points, rank 3 8 points, rank 4 7 points, rank 5 6 points. Similarly, in the next selection also I have given the similar type of points to ranks. Let's see selection based on CAGR 3 years. Before you have seen CAGR for 1 year, now I am showing you CAGR for 3 years. CAGR 3 years, which the more the CAGR, the best the mutual fund is. Here you can see rank 1 goes to PGIM India Midcap Fund with 22.77%, which is insane. Rank 2 goes to Axis Midcap Fund with 20.24%. Rank 3 goes to Invesco India Midcap Fund with 17.09%. Rank 4 goes to Kotak Emerging Fund with 16.94%. Rank 5 goes to Edelweiss Midcap Fund 15.88%. Let's see selection based on CAGR 5 years. Now we have seen 1 year and 3 years. Now we are seeing CAGR for 5 years period. Here you can see rank 1 goes to again PGIM India Midcap Fund Opportunities Fund with 20.63%, which is exceptional. Rank 2 goes to Axis Midcap Fund with 20.42%. Rank 3 goes to Kotak Emerging Equity Fund with 19.25%. Rank 4 goes to Edelweiss Midcap Fund with 19.23%. Rank 3 goes to Invesco India Midcap Fund with 18.75%. Then let's see selection based on NAV growth rate. I have considered max time period. I have considered the time period from 2013 to May 2021, and I have given the growth rate here. The more the growth rate over this time period, the best the mutual fund company is. So you can see rank 1 goes to Axis Midcap Fund with 497%. Rank 2 goes to Edelweiss Midcap Fund with 415.9%. Rank 3 goes to Kotak Emerging Equity Fund with 390.7%. Rank 4 goes to Invesco India Midcap Fund with 375%. Rank 5 goes to PGIM India Midcap Opportunities Fund with 272%. Guys, all these growth rates are very high and they are very good. Let's see next selection. Selection based on expense ratio. The lesser the expense ratio, the best the mutual fund company is, because expense ratio means mutual fund house are going to charge their expenses like electricity bill, their building charges, their furniture expenses, every expenses from your returns only. So lesser the expense ratio, the best the mutual fund company is. Here you can see rank 1 goes to PGIM India Mid Cap Fund with 0.45%, which is very minimum. Rank 2 goes to Axis Mid Cap Fund with 0.51%. Rank 3 goes to Kotak Emerging Equity Fund with 0.54%. Rank 4 goes to Edelweiss Mid Cap Fund with 0.71%. Rank 5 goes to Invesco India Mid Cap Fund with 0.81%. Then let's see next selection. Selection based on exit load. Exit load means the amount charged by the mutual fund company if you close or withdraw the amount from mutual fund company within the lock-in period. Generally, it will be less than 1% is best. Here you can see PGIM India Mid Cap Fund has got exit load 0.5%, so it has given rank 1, and rank 2 goes to all the remaining 4 mutual funds are with rank 2, and they are having exit load of 1%. Then let's see the selection based on AUM. AUM means asset under management. The generally asset under management less than 10,000 crore is considered best, because the fund manager has lesser AUM in his hand and he can easily and very efficiently he can manage his portfolio and he can produce you good amount of returns. Whereas the fund houses with AUM greater than 10,000 crores will face some difficulty, because they can retain only 65% of the they can retain only 35% of the amount within them, and remaining 65% of the amount they have to invest in market, even though the market is at higher values, so they may not be able to produce you good amount of returns. So I have considered the AUM less than 10,000 crore is best. So I have given rank 1 to those whose AUM are less than 10,000 crores. So rank 1 goes to Invesco India Mid Cap Fund with AUM 1424 crores, PGIM India Mid Cap Fund with AUM value of 1324 crores, and rank 1 also goes to Edelweiss Mid Cap Fund with 1245 crores, and rank 2 goes to Kotak Emerging Fund with 11,430 crores, and Axis Mid Cap Fund with 10,898 crores. So guys, I have calculated all the points from all the selections and I have given the overall ranking here. Here you can see the 66 points has got by PGIM India Mid Cap Opportunities Fund. It has got rank 1, and the rank 2 goes to Axis Mid Cap Fund with 61 points, and rank 3 goes to Kotak Emerging Equity Fund with 58 points. Rank 4 goes to Edelweiss Mid Cap Fund with 56 points, and rank 5 goes to Invesco India Mid Cap Fund with 53 points. Guys, PGIM India Mid Cap Fund is best with 66 points, and Axis Mid Cap Fund and Kotak Emerging Fund are second and third, and you can select any top 3, and before selecting please also check for mutual fund house and watch videos on the fund manager and check about his profile and his expertise in it, and then only invest in these top 3 mutual fund companies for 2021. Guys, a small disclaimer: please read all the documents carefully, do proper research and consult your financial advisor before taking an investment decision. Guys, now I'm further going to make videos on top 5 small cap companies and top 5 debt companies. If you like my video, please hit the like button, share